change her name again. She stopped thief chicken now because she could never thief chicken after all the donation she get. You could not thief any more chicken after the donations. Yeah.
Stop do that.
Stop. So when she's no more chicken.
But that no say if chicken come, I'm hungry, I'm not gonna take one for cooking.
Alright. That rests my case.
I have the whole of the chicken, I have to bring one in my house go cook for me and my people there.
A Donna, who's our extended family, send a barrel. I don't know if you watch that video there recently. So she sent some list of names of who want to get stuff out of the barrel. And you know she said that my and son. As well, so we bring this stuff here for you and your son.
Come on. Feet one man. Yeah. Them are for wood. That's very nice. Them are for wood.
So we have some stuff here. And this is from Unknown. And the one known as Unknown from the US that send the barrels for the stuff and everything. So you can tell Unknown thanks.
Unknown. Thank you for this. Why would I do?
And we have $17,000 from Amber Awards towards, whatsoever you can go to schooling and alright, go on.
Watch out.
Alright.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Yeah, right. Oh, you look tall now, you man.
Yeah.
Look tall, you.
One just look up.
Difference. Who's this? Who is this?
Good day, extended families. Big up on yourself. They here. One love.
A natural again, please. It's only natural. You only get it natural as it is. Only as it is. Natural. Watch this. Natural. Baja. And you see the window them arrive. We got the windows here from Fabulous Brothers.
Fabulous Brothers.
So you know we have Fabulous Brother.
Yeah.
As usual.
Yeah.
As a Baja say, man is here.
Yeah.
He never leave us out on any project.
Yeah.
You know, Fabulous Brother, we have to give thanks for him, you know, to make sure say Donna have our windows then, you know. And him always been the sponsor that behind the program when it come on to windows. You know, Fabulous Brothers, you know. As we may say, anyone want contact on windows, you know where to find him. You can either contact us or you can see the number pop up on the screen. You know, so we have Natural here.
Yeah.
As we build now, we have Baja here as the next builder.
Yeah.
So as you can see, come look on Baja, come look on the window them, come Natural, 1 minute, come, 1 minute. As you can see. See it here? So this is it.
Yeah.
Oh, our mic.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is it from Fabulous Brothers.
Yeah.
You know, we have to give thanks again and
Every
give
time.
thanks. And as we say, Fabulous Brother, once you see it,
Well
you know,
appreciate
say well fit.
Yeah.
You know, can't go wrong once you want to put in your order for Fabulous Brother
Fabulous
windows.
Brother, yeah.
You know, where everything is hard.
Once you say in the measurement, it's cut to fit. Yeah.
cut to fit.
Have to fit. Yeah.
Have to fit.
Yeah.
Because you know, say never leave
Which
the
is
dream
very
team.
durable, you know? Yeah, man. Very durable.
Never leave out the dream team. Never the case.
Yeah.
One
Balance
on
is
time.
right, you know?
Yeah. You cannot rest one number so it look. You cannot hold on for one of us. Just yeah.
So what am I one size now?
One size.
In and out, inside. That's what I want. That's what I want.
So
My feet one. As you can see it, Fabulous Brothers. Yeah. Come on, feet one.
see there.
All through 7 up.
Measurement.
Then to the right.
Alright, Baja, take it for there. Take it for there.
Yeah, man. My feet one. Supposed to have it. Right measurement and things.
Yeah, so. Yeah, so we give thanks again once more to Fabulous Brothers, you know, for making it possible.
Yeah.
Again, you know, our extended family, making
man,
it
every
possible
time,
for Miss Donna,
Yeah,
you know,
man.
on this project.
See it.
I can't stop thanking, you know, and as I may say, I don't know the work kind of the world back, so you know, we try to move forward as soon as we can, whenever we
Yeah,
get
the
a chance.
Natural and Baja meet up, so you don't know, so we are trying to fling it. Make it reach rate for reach, you know?
Yeah,
A long time we are head to the destination and finally we are look at it right now. It's in eyesight, you know, so I do what we do.
yeah, nothing done before the time. What's that, Dream Team?
One team!
We could get Fabulous Brother a round of applause, now, man. We could give Fabulous Brother a round of applause for this window. Salute. It's a huge blessings, you know. It's a huge blessings. Once more again. Alright, boom.
From a goodness, you know, you can't stop that.
Yeah.
Fabulous Brother, one love, you know. Thanks for your do for Dream Team. You say we're blessed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The window fit right in here where you sit down.
Right where you sit.
Sit there.
Yeah.
So I go on. Yeah, man. Feet one, man. Yeah, they're my forward. That's very nice. They're my forward.
There, but for fit no more, I was to say it fit already.
Good, man.
So that is the look already. That is the look already. Whoa,
Oh, yeah, man. They are looking up.
that is the look already.
They are going to go and look and go and see.
So windows on.
So, like the look at the window, them, you know. Yeah, man.
That is it.
White and, you know,
Yeah.
dark glass, you know, in a house, you know. You don't build a baby, somebody can't see you, you look on them out the door. Yeah, man.
You see it there. Whoa.
Fabulous brother, holy for love and respect, man. Every time, man, you see me? Yeah, man, come here, the great Saturday, you know, I'm not left me an inch, you know.
Boy, Zaire.
Yeah, man.
I live on Carla, you don't know me, they on it. One love and blessing. Love. Yeah.
See there.
They on it. Yeah. Bless.
Love to Olive and Carla, see him, man. Yeah, man, Olive and Carla, you're there in the general. When it's a 40, you know. Yeah, we got 30, so yeah, it's a 40, man.
See there.
No, hold on, I'm gonna come down back. Hold on. Yeah, night, man. Yeah, listen, yeah. Who is it? Put down some, man. Put down some.
Change her name again. She needs to stop thief chicken now. Because she could never thief chicken after all the donation we should get. You could not thief any more chicken after the donations. Yeah.
Stop do that.
Stop do that.
Stop.
So when she's no more chicken.
But that no say if one chicken, if chicken come, I'm hungry, me not gonna take one for cooking.
Alright. That rests my case.
Eat up the whole of the chicken, man. I have to bring one in my house, go cook for me and my people there.
Alright, that rests my
Like
case.
say, yeah, but I just dream team chicken alone, me take away.
Yeah.
I take on nobody else one.
Alright, that rests my case.
Yeah.
I know over there from you. Hey, movie star, we're trying to pass it, you know. Hero.
Yeah,
Tell him action live. Let's say what Rasta Jackson on the work. See that one.
Every time I come, because I don't know where we need to come in forward, you know.
Yeah.
So come and see, come and put them said we are. But extended family, we love every time.
Yes,
More
sure.
love, that's the plan, right? Guide and protect every time.
Every
I'm blessed
time.
and keep every time, when I'm coming in, no? I'm blessed and keep every time, more love, huh? Every time, more than love, you know.
Yes, I see it there. Annie. Blessings. Thank you so much for your message in my morning time.
Yeah.
Very encouraging. You know, thank you so much for
Call
that.
my mommy, call my friend them. Everybody will call about it.
Always the blessing. You share it.
Yeah.
Cause I like the prayer, you know. How's my little friend? She alright?
Super.
Yeah. Her face nice, sure, man. You alright though? How was school? So Annie, you know, we get a barrel the other day. We get some stuff as well to the Donna, who is now what we call them extended family. Cause I know we not share them. Yeah, so them send some stuff with list of names as well too. For who she get stuff and your name as well too on the list. So yeah, your niece. You know, so we have some stuff here. And this is from Unknown. And they want to known as Unknown from the US that send the barrels for the stuff and everything. So you can tell Unknown thanks.
Unknown. Thank you for this. Wow, whether it look big, the thought that's cool. Thank you for having me in mind too with my niece and tell. On a pass off tomorrow, memorial, Thursday after her birthday. Yeah, we are keep up safe. We just tell ourselves that shed some tears, but I'm a good man. I'm good. I always miss them. I always thank you for always reminding me. And thank you for the thoughts that come. And also have a blessed and a prosperous day. All the days of your life. And I got run things. Yes, thank you very much.
Yes. Yeah man, and let's go on with it, see me go and fight the fight because I know you're very strong.
Yeah man.
You know. Let's keep the faith, see you, me. And you can see you're doing a wonderful job with Chantel because it can show, you know?
Yeah.
She's going to become a lovely girl, and that's good. Chantel, you're doing good in school, right?
Yes.
Don't let me down, you know, we are keep check on you, you know. Yeah? So, Chantel, you're doing good in school. So, Annie?
Yeah.
Continue the blessings throughout the day,
Yeah,
yeah?
continue your blessing to Kino because you do a wonderful job as well. I tell you already, Father God give you that strength, Father God give me to pray, yeah.
Yeah.
That's how the system is set up.
Yes, yeah,
Thank
yeah. Then blessed Lord, yeah?
you. Look up.
Tamari, all is well? Wrong shoes. Damari. You know when I have to hold you up too long. Manners. Nah, hold you up too long, you know, damn. A Donna, who's our extended family, you know, send a barrel. I don't know if you watched that video there recently. So she sent some list of names of who want to get stuff out of the barrel. And you know what she said, Damari and son. And so we bring this stuff here for you and your son. Come, Esther. It's for you and your son. From the extended family. And bring a pack of Pampers here as well too. Yes. Unknown, they don't want to know as anything.
I know it's any name.
Yeah, so they send a barrel and say yeah.
Unknown, give thanks, you know. Appreciate it. Much love, you know. Yeah. Just full basket, never anything.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks to Unknown, you know, because you know it's there's stuff in there would fit you and your son, you know, definitely. And we give thanks. Yeah, so we keep you up to date because I'm up on the run and go and give out and so we can get done. Yeah?
Big up all extended family.
Cheers.
Dream team.
One team. Liquor. Oh, come liquor. Well. Long time no see. How are your big friends, Scanner? I'm around there? Oh, I'm around there. Oh, go around there. Go check the live team. Cover up his nose like him smell something. Oh, him nose so good. Pumped on arm.
You're so small, though.
Hey, so why? Yeah. Right. Small.
That's a good sign.
Malcolm. Scanner, you don't hear when people call your name.
Yeah, I answer to little.
Not Biggie. I answer to Smalley.
I'm too mad at them. I saw me all nearly 270 yard.
Allah.
I'm mad at them.
Look at them, mother look young.
That's empty. I
say all.
I go up there in a hole.
Scanner not reaching away yet, man. Scanner, man. Live team. Live dream.
Yeah. Live team. I can't stop talking about live team. Yeah. Dream team are the real team, see me.
Same way.
So, I don't go like me at this dream team. Like.
No style, you know.
We just talk up to the camera, with him camera see me.
All
Ugly
right.
like why you not want no teeth.
Them not say that at all. Them love them Scanner. And you don't know, so you always be on our list.
Yeah.
Get the place start out in
Ever put
every
up on a new
dream
what
team
you call
list.
it?
Live team list?
No, me I want new name.
A new
name, boy. Radar.
Okay, on the radar.
Yeah.
Okay, it's kind of
Being on
hard.
the radar and not falling off.
Not falling off the radar.
Yeah, because I own my life team.
Alright.
Yeah.
I know where you go. But Scanner, you know, say, you have to put a door around your fear though.
I
have to go put the door for you.
Remember that when I said
Yeah. I have to go put that door because you're thinking.
I know if you live when time this happens, me no know.
No man, what we're gonna do, you know, we're clean out in there for you, you know, paint out in there. Put a door yourself.
Go lively, but before anything possible,
a quick thing man.
at the time, me no know if you live now.
Somebody
No,
come
man.
to your size round here and
My
First-
sister come like she know me no want me say bad about her.
Hmm.
Nothing how this tell me, you know. Yeah.
No, but no worry,
My sister up there so.
we in have to worry about sister. It's always the dream team always been here.
Life team.
Life team always been here. So you don't have to worry about who you understand?
That
We
means,
always been here.
Keep myself happy.
Yeah. Just keep the faith.
Yeah.
Just keep the faith. Yeah, so as I
Actually,
say man, yes. Scan how much?
Yeah, I sent 2 months.
Yeah, I believe scan a recent here.
555.
Where you're born?
1966, 67.
You're so
Too much
old.
here. Mom!
May I see you?
What man?
You're
55.
55.
Yeah. 555
So you know, show me look.
555.
Mash up already. All me look so man.
Yeah, just get on.
One more pay attention to. People have pay attention to you. They say you look good and look alright. Not so like me go war and come back, look jaga jaga.
Lie, man. Well, you know, it's kind of we get a barrel with some things inside of it.
Yeah.
You know, and your name is on the list. You want liquor. Them so must get something out of the barrel for you or liquor. No matter, she said no matter how small it is, you know, we must get something for Scanner and liquor from the barrel. So right here we have a bag here with stuff for Scanner and liquor.
I want to never forget.
Yeah, so the person who send the barrel, they don't want to, yeah, they don't want name, they want no name card in, so it's unknown.
Yeah.
So you
It's a
can,
new way to call her now.
oh, yeah, what I say?
No, the Donna. It's a
Yeah,
new Donna.
we don't say Donna though, we say extended family, but it's a new Donna.
Family.
Yeah, so but we
Put
change
on
the
the
name.
extend.
Yeah, so we call them the extended family.
Extension.
Alright, so Scanner say extension,
Yeah.
and we say
I know.
extended.
X amount, you know.
Yeah, pure X.
You say, well, me just show me all teeth, them like a man, me have no teeth. No, sir.
Scanner nah sure.
Yeah.
It shows you have 32.
I'm one dozen teeth me throw away in a rubbish truck with you know.
Yeah.
And then have them for about years, carry them from country come in.
Yeah, yeah.
Think me nice.
You think nice, but them nice to say him go on. So yes, well, liquor is still unknown. Thank you.
Thank you, Unknown, for this party with me and Scanner.
I need a penam right now. I need a penam. No.
No, it's closed.
Okay.
It's closes. So alright, Scanner. You're on the radar.
Keep it real, you know.
Always.
Always on the radar.
Always on the radar.
Yeah. And this is not a vanity world. You know.
No.
Radar is just natural world.
Natural. That is it.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Alright.
Yeah. Make up a one pot.
Yeah, make up a one part. Hero.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna talk my boy now. You cooking? What you cooking here? What you cooking? Oh, we had the pressure at the back?
Yeah.
Oh, chicken food.
Sorry, chicken back and chicken food.
Oh, so you have pressure them. Pressure.
Salt in there already.
So, una cook. And you a cook the liquor, miss? Mama, don't burn up top, you know. Don't burn up the water, you know. Don't burn up the water. What, run your change up?
You know, because there's something with me. The pressure? I lean pan in this dispenser.
Oh.
She said the bottom. Oh, she lean pan in there.
Wait, you look so different.
Mommy come here.
Mommy come here. She look different, eh? Drama. How about my actress? Where's the mommy?
Up.
Bianca. How you doing? How you doing? You want to stand for it? You could stand there. So you can put it on. You look like a school girl just coming from school. Look like a school girl.
You want to go school today?
How the weather?
Beating us bad.
No pressure on them. The rice bucket. You don't have to worry about the rice bucket that got full. You don't have to worry about that. You say rice done?
Flour done.
Rice done? Alright, so you're going to draw for the rice. Put the rice bucket there, so. You have a whole heap for going like. Put back the rice bucket there, so.
Where my top? Rice.
You have a whole heap of rice to go back there. Yeah. Alright then.
You want to then to comment?
Body joyful.
Aye, babe.
I'm alright, man. For them thing now. We have Miss Drama over there, Miss Drama over there, you know. Miss Drama. Bianca just looks so different. Like she fly out and come back. She does a glow. That's it, you're glowing. She a glow bad. Tell the truth. Because she look different. I have to ask her, so you look so different. She's glowing. You're glowing, right? Yeah. What about you? Doing the drama class yet? You start drama yet? You start the drama class? You don't have drama at the school?
You have drama class at the school?
You have it at the school?
And the Browns,
Miss Christian and Miss Paul, the lady with the
Okay.
Of course, supposed to.
Eh? She said get it wrong.
I've been to drama club. You can't see yet. I've been at 1 grade though. Sip, tell me what I'm drinking. Don't drink it too sick, man. You can't drink sugar, man. Kill you, me sip and TV. Hey.
I read Jim Carrey that, you know. You know, that Jim Carrey that this, you know. Jim Carrey, man. But my friend, a pure thing she there, so I go out with. Yes, Amanda.
Hey, what's up?
Amanda. Oh, understand? Oh, not Ian.
Best thing we have life.
Yeah.
And we're not leaking. So that's good.
That is great. So well, you know, our extended family.
Okay.
Send barrels as well to them send a list with names, and you have Amanda and family who is on the list as well to who meant to get from the barrel.
Okay.
So Esther and the team, they do a lot of sorting out, you know, so you have to talk the team, you know, because they do a whole heap of work, you know.
Yeah, talk the team.
Yeah. And you see Hero outside, Hero come drop off the bag and gone.
Like master see them drop it off, so bye.
Hero hot. Hero hot, man.
and the fan just stopped working.
Yeah, so.
And we have to go run for the one from upstairs. Yeah, so I barely cool anything, but now we soon get a next one.
Yeah, man, in time.
So,
in time.
Yes, thank you all of our extended family for all that you have give us. Thank you very much.
Okay.
And towards the team, thank you team, dream team, thank you.
Alright. So we have Unknown from the USA, you know, that send the barrels. Oh, see Hero, because the Hero still a sweat.
Yeah.
So Hero still a sweat. So we have here
What is your man? Hey,
and there. So we have
Hey, you want damage Bianca? What's wrong with you?
Bianca strong, man.
Bianca strong.
And so Bianca do a big flasher like anything.
Wait. Shine the camera. Shine it.
Yeah, we shine it.
I am skinny. She sit up.
Yeah, we shine the camera.
She sit on me. But I'm still alive.
Okay.
You don't.
You're still alive.
We get some
I'm having a chair.
Alright, so Amanda, come. Here.
I can't be there.
Come through, Amanda. Come. Back out. Yeah, so these are the bags here we got here for you. Okay. We got bag, Amanda, Bianca, go and open it, Bianca. I know Bianca also want to open
that, Bianca.
So you, I'm excited. Leave her alone. Go and do your thing.
Mine. No! Yes.
Recite mine.
Watch this warrior. Alright, there's a whole heap of stuff in there for everybody. So there's a lot of stuff in there for everybody. So they can just press them down. Press them down there. And this bag as well, we have some stuff in here, a lot of food stuff and everything.
Yes, mommy, let her take this.
No, sit there, Bianca. Sit there. Take it.
No, mommy, you take
So one bag you want.
She's not interested in the clothes bag. She's not interested in the food bag.
She don't want.
So you know want a clothes you want, you know want a food.
More food, man, except more, cause me no say, but nice, mother, this must come food.
It's dry.
Use a knife, cause it's well tight. It's a come true. You ready?
You smell something.
Now we have books in there as well too.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
What is this?
Was this on your book list or?
You know, Esther threw some books as well over the bar that was in there.
Hey,
And we have and stuff.
Some mud.
boy, cornflakes.
That's
Cornflakes. Man.
Ink be snake run.
So you have more books. Look, there's more books as well in there. There's more books and also the rice that I tell you about. So you have a whole heap of rice.
Yeah. Rice and peas.
Oh, this one nice.
Curry goat. Stew mutton. Piece of pork. Hen.
I'm going out to pen again.
So you're with the bag well full of Lord. So we have to give thanks again for Unknown.
Find something to eat.
So we have to give thanks again for Unknown.
Okay, give thanks again to Unknown. Thank you, that Unknown. The kids them are fighting over the stuff them. Thank you very much. To Unknown.
Yeah.
Again, thank you very much. Don't watch these kids.
Alright, so I them have to go say thank you.
We're not.
I have to go say thank you since I yes, like what? Start from you. Come on. Start from you.
Unknown for everything you have given us right here.
Yeah.
And God bless you.
Alright, so that is from Brittany Houston. And we have
Baba Houston.
Thank you.
Use the camera.
yeah.
Use the camera because you have all the bag in front there, so use the camera.
Use the camera now.
Use that camera.
Yeah.
Talking.
Thank you, Unknown, for these 10 stuff. I really like them. Especially when me I go to school.
Alright.
Especially when it's very nice.
Alright.
And may God bless you.
Wow. Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, so she's getting powerful now, you know.
What? Hey,
Alright.
You know what
My friend now, my actress.
Your time, no actor.
Come actress. Make sure what. Hold it then.
So thank you for this complex. So I want to eat it, but it's family size. So I have to share it with families. But I thank you. My name is
Unknown.
Unknown. I thank you.
For everything.
For everything. It's so nice. I will like this cookie now.
Alright, so we'll give thanks, and we also have a donation as well too for you,
Sugar-free boys.
Amanda.
For me.
Bianca.
For me.
Bianca. Well, Amanda, Bianca. You know, spell the same family. And we have $17,000. And we have $17,000 from Amber Awards towards, you know, whatsoever you can go to the schooling and. Alright, go on.
Watch out.
Alright.
You never said thank.
Count it first, say 70.
Where's it?
Yeah. So
Get accountants.
Yes, she check it again. Make sure it real. This one fake. This one fake. Let me see. It's fake.
Come see, you know, thank Amber Awards.
Louder.
Come.
Amber Award.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. May the God bless you more.
And it fake. I'm just take it and I can send one different one.
Come, so your time now, Brittany.
My time.
Amber Awards.
Thank you, Amber Awards, for this what you give us. But a bit take it over. And it look fake now. My dad try to thief it from her, but you know she grab and panic and she had the account and said thank you.
Yeah.
And God bless you. Bless you.
Kino.
And we have Mosquito. Mosquito is here.
Good day.
Good day.
My name is Masika. Yes, we thank you so much.
Yes, Amanda says it's your time now for Amber Awards. So you can tell Amber Awards. Thank you very much.
Amber. Just blessings.
Yeah.
There's more blessings.
So more blessings I will give thanks from Unknown from the USA, and thank you so much Amber Awards, you know, for the donation. Yeah. And Unknown for the lovely stuff. You know, we got clothes and everything, clothes, food, and you name it. And Amber Awards, thank you so much. Bianca.
Yes.
Come and see you find more strength. She's getting there. I will like that.
And she like our school. Yeah, she really like the school very much. So and she get almost about three books, I believe, right? Forget. Yeah, she get actually all of our books. She will have 3 books leave back for her to get. But otherwise, she love our school. Yeah. She's doing very well.
Yeah.
So I don't disappoint you to put out the video, and I don't disappoint you to go to ministry for help. So thank you guys again once more. Thank you ministry for help, you know.
So you send them the recent video? Because you know when I want.
I did not send them a recent video.
Okay.
No.
So ministry knows, so we thank them same way, you know. So
very much.
Yeah, so I want them continue on them journey. So yeah, so this is it.
Wait, shiny camera, shiny camera. This? Wait, mommy. Okay. This is my one.
I want my son Andrew's hospital.
Alright then, yeah, so take time. Dream team?
One team.
Alright then, bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
One team.
Alright.
One team. One team.
See you
One team.
One. Bombing ball, you staying?
Get
them stay. Yeah man, you can stay.
You pick them up tomorrow.
Alright, no problem.
Should have mad you
Should have mad you for you. You that mad. That's your face.
Next time, yeah?
No, Brittany Houston, check your pot.
Alright, thanks again.
Yeah man.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.